Okay, so hello everyone. Very good evening for each one of you. All right, let's start the session. Okay, okay. So let me present the screen. All right, so still people are joining. Yesterday I told at sharp at the starting point whether if it is a 6 o'clock or 6:30 or 7. Okay, according to the mentioned time, we will be starting the class, right? So why only less people have start joined today? Where are the others? Good evening, very good evening. Okay, at least this is a online class. For this also late means, see, this is called a lack of commitment, right? If it is like far away, okay, you need to travel, you need to get ready, you need to cover the distance. Okay, so many things may happen. Okay, if that also it is not like uh, you should never give an excuse, even if you're going somewhere to learn and all. Okay, in that also it is so comfortable that you just need to turn on your mobile or turn on your laptop. Okay, for that also late, huh? All right, all right. Okay. Make sure from tomorrow be on time. Okay. All right. So yesterday again we have continued. Okay, we were continuing to build a YouTube replica. Correct? We were continuing to build a YouTube replica. So let me build, let me open one video. So come to YouTube. So let's say which one. All right. So let's say this is the thing which we need to do. Okay. So what we need is we already have we already have completed the top part, that is at the navigation, right? We have our own logo, heading, search bar, and in place of this icon we have created a round circle. Okay, then what we have done, okay, if I refresh, let's see. What we say is this particular video and this caption, right? So we need to build the caption and the video side by side. Okay, for that what we can use, so how can we approach, guys? Is there any particular align way to create this? That is, see, all the video should be one side and all the captions should be in another. Hmm? Okay, if it has not has been started, what we will do, we will start from now. Okay, okay. So call your friends also. I can see so many people are not present in the session. From that day, we are mentioning that only the one thing required is the attendance. Attendance is mandatory for the certification. Okay, so okay, so half of the people are yet to come. So all right. So I will go to my Visual Studio and let me host the page once. Let's see how much we have completed. Okay. So session on the web tag and session 9. Okay, not session 9, I think. It was session 6. All right, so this is our YouTube and this is a official one. All right. Okay, so let me search. Do I have any other video? If it is playing at the background, it will be really good to see. Okay, unfortunately, I don't have any other video. Okay, let me try. Copy this, paste it in my same batch, sorry, same folder. Okay, so I'll come back. Instead of where is it? I will go to video section, change the address. So Alt to Z, everything will come in one place. Div, where is my video section? Okay, here it is. Okay, so what is the name of the video which I have just copy pasted? Okay, some 015 underscore. Okay, let's see. Will it work or not? So save it. Go to my video. Refresh. Okay, will it come? Yeah. Yes. Okay, this is working. So if you guys don't like any means, okay, so don't get irritated because in downloads I can only find few of these videos. I don't have a real saved video in my laptop. Okay, otherwise I would have played that itself. Okay. Okay, so okay, let's start. Okay, now we have a video, and what we have to do, guys, here we have a empty section that is at the right. Okay, at the right we have a empty section, and what we need to do is we need to fill it up with two sections, that is one section with video and one section with a text caption, I mean. Okay, before that we need to have these buttons all from still watching Netflix button, and some character name is there. Okay, so first we will fill it. Okay, so whatever, if I need to add here, okay, whatever I need to add here, I need to come to the last. So we have a ready-made div section, correct? We have a ready-made div section, that is, let me give a name, just put a class. I will say side B. Okay, so I have just given a class name just to differentiate. Okay, not to apply any CSS property, just to differentiate. That's all. Okay, so I will come here, refresh, nothing changes. Okay, all right, I will do this. Okay, so now what we should do is I need to fill the button, so I need to go to respective div. Right, now what should I do? Let's see. We have a button tag. I will go here, all three buttons I have to create. So one is a small one. Right, so let it be side by side, and upper one says all, and I'll say the third one, I will say from the, okay, so I'll say from the resolution minds. Okay, and last one, we have another button. and I will say I am are the developer. Am the developer. Okay, so now I have three buttons. So if I go there and refresh, let's see. See, at the top it is reflecting. Okay, at the top it is reflecting. All from the resolution minds and and I am are the developer. Okay, so now what we need to do is see the buttons need to come down a little bit. The buttons need to come down a little bit, and it has its own style, that is the edges are curved and it is telling all. Okay, it is a black button with white text, and these are a gray buttons. Okay, so without a border, all the button does not have any border if you look at it. Correct? Okay, so I will come here, apply style for the first button. I'll say background color black. Okay, and the color of the text white. Right, and oh, so let me say size of the text 16 pixels for the first button. Will it be sufficient? Refresh. Okay. So 16 pixels is small. First, we will adjust the height and width of the button like this. Okay. So in order to adjust the height and width, we need to give the same thing. Height, I should give, what was the button's height yesterday? It was 40 pixels. Okay. So I will give 29 pixels today. Okay. And width for the first button. So width for the first button, let me say, all right. So it is a square button, I think. So I will tell 29 pixels itself. Here, refresh. Okay, it is not enough. It is bigger. Okay, so I will come back and tell it as 35 pixels width and 35 pixels height. Let's see, is it enough? Okay, I think let me give it as 40 itself, like yesterday, and slightly I will give 44 pixels. Height 40 pixels and width 44 pixels. Okay, let's see now. Will it work? Okay, so come to your output and let's see. Okay, it got shrink. How come? Okay, here I have made a mistake. So now let's see. Okay, I think it is enough now. Okay, so what we need to do is uh, I will come inside this div. Okay, so I'm doing some changes in this div where I have a border, that is a div, right? So what property I'm giving? I'm giving padding top is equal to 15 px. Okay, what I have given? I am giving padding top is equal to 15 pixels. What is this 15 pixels and what is this padding top? Okay, so that means if you look at it, okay, so padding top is nothing but we are saying we want some space at the top of a div and the content. Top of the div means, see, at the top of the div and the content, in between the top of the div and the content I need space. That is what a padding top means. That is from the top side of the border. Okay, from the top border, I need to give a space of 15 pixels, and it should be between top border and the content inside it. The contents are these buttons, right? So if I refresh, yes. Okay, now that what the space has been created between the buttons and the top border. That is what a padding top means. Okay, same goes with if I say padding left. Okay, if I say padding left, from the left border it will create a space between the border and the button. If I say padding right, from the right border it will give a space between the content and the border. Okay, so that is what a padding means. All right. Okay, so next what we will do is we will adjust this style. One thing we have given as border and another thing was color. Okay, so what we will do, we need to apply a border radius. We need a curve edges. How to give a curve edges border, and I will tell 15 px. Save. Okay. Okay, border I have given, not border. It should be border radius. Save. Come to your output. Refresh. Okay, I think it is bit more. We know we don't need 15 px, so I will just give it 9 px. Refresh. Yes, now it is enough. It looks like that button. And one more thing is font size I have to change. That is I need to increase. So come here, font size. Okay, already I have given the font size. I need to change the value. That's all. Okay, here only see black color and font size. It was 18. I will tell 16. I will tell 22. So is that sufficient? Have I not saved 22 pixels? Oh, where is the font here? Okay, it should be font size 22. Save. Refresh. Okay, it is more. Okay, let me finalize for 18. Refresh. Okay, so this all and this fine. So I will choose as finalize as 17. Okay, and here I will fix 38 and 38 and 42 as a height and width. Finally, refresh. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, and see why we have a border means just for the reference. Okay, here that div does not have any border. We have a border just for the reference. After building all the things, we will just delete that border. Okay, so the let me just reduce the thickness. So I will tell as 1 px, the smallest value possible. Refresh. Okay, this is the key. Okay, so now fine. So what should we do now? So we need to adjust. We need to have same height for all the buttons here. Okay, but the width will change. Okay, so very simple. Go to each button, style, and I will give font size. Font size. What is the font size? Same font size which we have given to other buttons. We will give 18. The same font size has others. Okay, and then background color, let it be, and I need to take out the border colon none, and I will save. Refresh. Okay, so I need to give a height and border radius as well. Okay, so come to this thing. Height. What's the height? It was 38 pixels, correct? So we have given a 38 pixels for the previous button. Same thing. So I will save, refresh. Okay. So I just need to give little bit. Okay. So little bit less for the font size. So I will give 16 pixels. I think it's enough. See here, for this also, all button is, it is having bit of a more what font size compared to this, correct? Okay, so I had also given the same, and then width I will give. So instead of width, okay, so again we need to make a trial and error, something we have to do. So instead of that, directly what I will do is, see here, there is some space between the left side of the button and the right side of the button. Okay, so compared to our button, at the left side and the right side of the button on the YouTube, there is a space. Okay, again, just now we have done, that is, we can create the space at left hand side and right hand side of the button, correct? We can create the space at left side and the right side of the button. So if I want both of left side and right side, I need to give padding left 3 pixels and padding right also 3 pixels. That is, from the left border and the right border, I need to give 3 pixels of space. And if I refresh, okay, it was more actually. Default I will give 7 pixels for padding left and 7 pixels for padding right. Let's see, is it sufficient? Refresh. Okay, still more. I will finalize for 9 and 9, both on left and right. Refresh. Okay, so little more we want. Let me finalize for 12. That is 12 pixels of space at the right side and the left side of the button. Okay, okay. So let's see. All right, and one more thing was left out. We need to curve the edge. In order to curve the edge, border radius is how much we have given last time? It was 9 pixels. Save, refresh. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I think I need to give bit more. I will tell it as 10 pixels in this case. So refresh, right? Okay. So now we have this button, and last we need to set the correct styling property for this button as well. Correct? Okay. So again, what should I do? Come back to that button. So this is the button. Okay. So let me give a single line space. Okay. So we need to work on last button. Okay, so again, come inside the opening tag, style, font size, same we need. How much did we give last time? 16, yes, 16 px. And then we don't need a border. So border is equal to none. Next, height. What's the height? It was around, yes, 38 pixels. Same height we need. Okay, and padding left, padding right, same values. So I will copy it from a previous border and I will copy the border radius also. Okay, we would copy the entire what style of a previous one in the first place, but it's okay. Do this, save. Is it ready? Refresh, yes. So all the three buttons are ready. All right. So what about you guys? Everyone following? Everyone able to create all three buttons here? So hit S if you are following. We need some space in between the buttons. We need some space in between these buttons. So I will go there. So in order to create a space outside the margin, what is the property name? Anyone remember? If I want to move the button to the right, or if I want to create some space at the left side of the button, we are not talking about inside the button, it is outside the button. What is the CSS property? Hmm? Okay, so until now we were using margin itself. Now also we will use margin itself. Okay, so easy. So I will, let me see how much more we need. Okay, already there is a little bit of a space at the first button and the second one. Okay, so but if you compare it with, okay, so if you compare it with original website, there is a more. Okay, the original YouTube is having a more space compared to ours. Okay, so in that case, what we will do, we will give it more. That's all, simple. Okay, so what we need to do, so go to the particular buttons. Okay, so go to the particular buttons and give a margin property. Now where, in which direction we need to give the margin property, guys? In which direction we should give a margin property? At the left side of the button, right? Simple. At the, we need to give it as margin left. So tell margin left should be 20 pixels. Okay, no need to give margin left for the first button because we need to create a space between first and second. So for the second button, I'm giving a margin left. Okay, so refresh. Okay, it is more. So if it is more means I will reduce the values. 10, yes, 10 is sufficient. Okay, 10 also is a bit more. Finalize for 8. Refresh, yes, 8 is okay. Okay, so same margin left property. Go ahead and give it for the third button also. Okay, so say what's happening. Margin. All right. So it has, okay, I need to give a semicolon here. Okay, so margin left should be 8 pixels for the third button, for the last button. Okay, so I will save, refresh. Yes, now we have all three buttons in a row. Okay, so then what? So now, what should we work on? We should work on the videos here, right and left. Okay, so we have created these three buttons here, and in our case, these three are the buttons. Okay, all from Resolution Mind, and I am as a developer. Okay, so now we have created all these three buttons. Now we should work on how to create these videos and these captions. Okay, so yeah, let's start it. So come here, and what I will open is a table tag. Okay, so I will open a table tag, right? So what is this table tag? So we know how the table works, table format. What does the how does the table will get formed? The table is formed with always the row and the columns, right? So the tables are formed with row and the columns. Okay, so now what I will do is, so right now no changes. I have just opened a table tag. I will come back, look carefully. I will create one thing that is tr. Open a open a tag called tr. Okay, what does the tr means? TR means it is nothing but a table row. Okay, it is nothing but a table row. Okay, that means what is it? You are creating a table. To create a table, you need row and column. You are creating the row. You are creating the row using this tr tag. First, you just create a row, and afterwards, automatically the column will be created. Okay, the first step is you need to create a row. There is a table tag, and you are creating one table, and first step is create one row in the table. Okay, and then look carefully. Inside table, what should come? You need to write it now. Okay, so inside table, what should come, guys? So what I'm doing is I'm considering this whole thing has one table. Okay, I'm considering this whole things as one table in first row video and caption. Again in second row a video and caption. In third row again video and caption. Okay, so what that means, that is in each row two columns will come. In first column all the video will come, and in second column all the this captions will come. Okay, so that is what I need to do now. Okay, so I will come back to the code. Right now what do we have? I have one tr. In first column what should come? What should come in the first column should be written inside td. Okay, what should come inside the first column? That should be written in the td. Td is nothing but a table data. Okay, so td is nothing but a table data, and in the table data I will put a video tag. Why? Because in first column I need a video. That's why directly I am telling or I am giving as a I'm making use of a video tag. Okay, so yeah, see, tr first row, in first row, first data is td, that is a video, and I'll say src append. Okay, src, and some video was there, 0153 underscore. Okay, I will put this video only. Okay, and don't forget to give a control attribute inside the tag, otherwise you won't get it. And mainly now what you have to do is, I need to apply the style. Okay, I need to, why? Because see, the videos on the left side, okay, the videos on the left side should be a smaller. Okay, the videos at the left side should be a smaller ones, correct? That is, the height and width should be a smaller. So let's say the height should be like 100 by 100. Okay, so the height should be 100 pixels and width should be 100 pixels again. I will save. Okay, okay. So let's see the output. If I refresh, nothing is coming. Did I save? Yes, I have saved. But why it is not coming? It is not reflecting anything. Refresh. Okay, it is reflecting here. Why? Right. One second. No, delete this. Okay, took that out. So okay. So why nobody had no, told me that it should come inside this div, right? So what we are creating is, we are creating this video that should be inside this div. I am writing it outside the div and nobody has told me until now. Why? Simply you're copying the code. Whatever I write, you also copy paste it, or you also doing the same. Okay, you need to analyze before writing it. Yeah, I'm explaining, but you need to think where exactly I'm writing the code. That is outside the div. Outside the div won't work because we need it inside this div. Okay, all right, so let me cut the whole thing, paste it here after the button. Because see here, if you look here, after the buttons, I want it to come after these buttons. Below this button, I need to create those videos. Okay, so 100 pixels by 100 pixels was not working. It was very small. So I'll come here, refresh. Okay, so this is working. Okay, so should I decrease it? Yes, I need to decrease it. Okay, so because our height width is, I need to increase the width, I guess, but I need to decrease a height a little bit. Okay, so I will do the same. So 200 pixels, I will tell it as 170. Okay, I will tell it as 170, and width, let it be 240 pixels. Let's see now. Refresh. Okay, somewhat better, but okay, it is bigger, certainly bigger. I will decrease the height also. Let me decrease the height by 140 pixels, and width also, let it be 210 pixels. Refresh. Okay, now it is smaller. Okay, now is it looking like this? Okay, still little bit smaller I have to do. So that means in a height. Okay, so 20 pixels I will reduce. Let it be 120 pixels and let it be 190 pixels. I think this value I can finalize the refresh. All right. Okay, so this is a video which represents this one. Okay, so yeah, right. Okay, so next what we need to do. Okay, so we need to curve this sharp edges. Okay, we need to curve this sharp edge. So again, we know how to do it. Border radius. So border radius is, let's say, what is it? Somewhat. Okay, so what is the height and width? I will tell as 15 pixels border radius. Curve it with 15 pixels. Okay, it is enough. Yes, it is enough. Okay, so the clarity of the video is larger. That's why here you cannot see. So if I give it as 30 pixels, it will be more at the bottom. That is what the problem is. All right, give me 1 second. Let me give it as 40. Refresh. 40 also will not work. Okay, so I will go back to giving 20 only. 24. Refresh. Okay, let it be like this. Okay, so it is little more. Okay, we will go with 19 pixels. Refresh. Yes. Okay, so 19 pixels we will finalize. Okay, and now what it should come at the right side, the caption should come. So see here at the right side, what we have is one heading with the two lines and some Mr. Kilowatt. That is, I think website's name, I think, and how many views and how many year ago. Okay, so these things we need to specify. Okay, where? At the right side. Fine. Shall we start with that? Okay. So which tag, inside which tag I need to write it? Can you give it a guess? So inside which tag we need to write it? And inside which tag we need to write these captions? So so where we have written the video, we have written the video inside a TD tag. So what about these captions? Should we write inside that TD tag only? So what should we do? How should we approach this? So if you H3 tag after the video, correct. Okay, so yeah, we will be using H3 itself, but but inside which tag that H3 should come? That's what I'm asking. Inside which tag the H3 should come. So should we create a new TD for that? Okay, so see here from that time I'm telling we are arranging this video and the caption. Okay, we are arranging this video and the caption side by side, that is this is one column and this is one column. So totally, first, in order to put these two, we will create a row. One row we have created using tr. In one row, two data we will put, that is two column. So one data is this video and one data is this captions. So what we will do, we will come here inside tr itself. Look carefully inside tr itself. Okay, so I will create a another TD, which represents a another column, a parallel column. Okay, so correct. Actually, we need to use th only, Chanda. But see here, if I use th, okay, so all these things will be in the bold letters. Okay, that's why I'm using TD, right? So if I use TH, every text will be in the bold format. We don't need it, correct? So that's why I will use TD, and inside TD, I will use a H3 tag in order to make it look bolder. Okay, all right. So I'll come here, TD, let me say H3. Okay, so what is the heading? So let me give our own heading. I will say IMR is the great developer of the BTM. Okay, simply a random caption I'm giving. I will save. Let's see how will it look if I refresh. Yes, see, there is a caption now. There's a caption for this video. Ammar is a great developer of BTM. Correct? Okay, so I have given one caption for this video, but still I need to give this and this. Okay, so one website name and how many views and how many years ago. Okay, so no issue. Come here. So which tag should I use? I will directly use a p tag. Okay, so let me tell it as rs minds. Okay, resolution minds has a website name. Then let me use a break or another p. Let's see. Okay, let me use another p tag in order to represent how many views. So how many views? Let's see, seven. What is the attendance today? It is 58. Where are the others? I will say 5 point m views. Okay, and I will put one dot and I will tell 1 minute ago. I will say, okay, see what we need to give is one name and one how many views and how many years ago. So I will refresh. Yes, we have got this, right? Okay. So we have got this res and how many million views. Okay, we need to write views, not just like this. Okay, we need to specify. All right. So somebody is having more energy today. So only one guy in the whole session is having this much energy. So what about others? So this is a Friday evening, right? So you guys should show the Josh, right? So only one person is putting the emoji. He's trying to motivate others, but everyone is really focusing into the session, or today the interest is less. What is the case? If you have that energy, comment something, comment some emojis. See, someone called recording videos is taking the uh, what lead. Okay, so compete with him and put some emojis, guys. Everyone. Okay, so as I told, whatever you do, whether it is a coding or whether it is the exercise, anything you do in your life, just do it with more energetic way. Okay, the maximum energy, how much you can put. Okay, put all the energy into all the things which you do in a life, then you will be at the what you will have a good life experience. Okay, always if you are giving full, that is a best version of your life, best version of you, the life also will be at the best condition. Okay, all right. Up, let's continue. So now see the comment section, how colorfully it looks. Okay, so we are building a colorful web pages like that only. Parallelly, if you make the comment section colorful means I will be getting some refreshment. Okay, so how you will be getting refreshment is I will be creating something colorful on the web page, and you will be learning new things. Okay, for me it is a normal thing. Okay, as a trainer I will be creating this. I have what in so many sessions. This is not a first session, thousands of session I have done the same thing, that is build a web page, replicate some websites. Okay, teach how to uh, build a web page for the students. Okay, but one thing for my refreshment, I can ask you to just make the comment section colorful. Okay, all right, all right. Okay. Next, let's see. Okay, so what do we have to change here? See the color of the text which says name of the name of this channel should be little less font size and color should be gray. Okay, so I will come here. I will go inside p tag, apply some style. I will take color is equal to gray and font size is equal to what should be the font size? Let's say 13px. Let us see, is it matching? Refresh. Okay, so text size I need more. So more in the sense, let me say 15 pixels. Hello, hi. Okay, hi everyone again. Oh, what happened here? One pixel I have given. Ayo. It should be 17 pixels. Save, refresh. Okay, 7 pixels is bit more. Let me go with 15 pixels. Refresh. All right, I think that is fine. Okay, yes, that is fine. Now I need to put a dark color. That's all. Okay, so I will save. Look here. Okay, it has become a darker comparatively, but I need more darker text. Refresh. Okay, I think is it enough? Okay, let me come back. Save. Okay, so yes, now it is fine. Okay, so same color and same font size. I need to give it for view also. So come to that paragraph. What is the best thing to do? The best thing is to copy and paste. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Okay, right. Okay, so see here now what we have done is we have adjusted the font size. Okay, I think little more I need to give for font size. I will give it as 16 pixels. Okay, fine. Okay, so the name is in setting, yeah, Sayed. So check the video clarity which you are watching. Okay, so maybe if you are having sometimes, okay, if you're having a connectivity connection issue, the video quality will drop in your mobile or in your laptop. Okay, in that time go to YouTube. Okay, here only settings, and here quality, change the quality. Okay, okay, fine. So from that time I have an anime video. So anyone here watches anime, guys? So if you watch the anime, so tell something in a comment section, any dialogue or any famous quote or any emojis, anything. All right. Okay. Next, so that always. Okay. So anime watchers will be what they will feel more energetic if we open that topic. That's what I have observed, right? If two anime watchers meet, right? Okay, they will be talking about anime only, nothing else. That's why. Okay, so if you're also watch anime, okay, so put something in the comment box, proves that you're a anime lover. Okay, so or else just leave it like that, continue with the session. Okay, fine. Next, so what we need to do is see what changes we need to do. This two lines, this two lines, that is the name and the view. Okay, it should move up. See here, it should move up. Okay, so that means what? I need to I need to decrease the distance between this heading and this paragraph. Okay, I need to decrease the what I need to decrease. I need to decrease the space between the heading and the paragraph. So what I will do, I will come here, I will go to the heading first, and I will tell margin bottom. Margin bottom means the space at the bottom of the heading must be 0 pixels. Save. See the output. Let's see. Refresh. Nothing changes. See, if in nowadays what has happened is, if you try to do anything in a what in a neat way. Okay, if you do anything in a with a good approach or in a patience way, nothing will work. Okay, so you need to keep on pushing everywhere, everything you need to forcefully push. Okay, so what we will do, we will forcefully push this particular paragraph upside by giving a negative value. Okay, so before that, let me try one more time. Style, Margin bottom of the heading should be 0 pixels. Let's see. Will it change by itself? Okay, it changed, but the value is not sufficient. All right, so now I will not leave it as it is. I will give negative value and negative 5 pixels I will give. Let's see. Go with the aggressive approach. Refresh. Okay, now it is working. Okay, again, be more aggressive. Minus 10 pixels. Refresh. Yes, it will work. Okay, now I think so. This went too much up. Okay, so too much aggressive also not good for anyone. So I will tell it as 7 pixels minus 7 pixels. So refresh. Okay, this is fine. And what is the last one? Here you need to set this. Okay, there is a more space here between the first paragraph and the second paragraph. In that case, what you do is give the same margin bottom, give the same treatment. What was the treatment given to this heading? Same with that intensity only. Okay, give be aggressive for this paragraph also. In the same way, that much aggressiveness we will show to paragraph, that is margin bottom minus 7 pixels. So refresh. Yes, it moved. So should we be more aggressive? In this case, yes. Earlier 7 pixels was enough. Now I will show more aggressive. I will be more aggressive with this paragraph. So come to your output, refresh. Yes, it is moving up. I think it is enough. No, little bit more. I will finalize for 12 pixels. Refresh. Is it enough? Yes, is it finally enough? Okay, and see here at the top, this video and the heading should be what aligned, right? The video and the heading should be aligned with each other. Okay, but in this case alignment is missing. This heading is starting from what little bit downside. Okay, it is starting from a way below compared to the original website. Okay, it is starting from little bit down position. So let's be aggressive for that also. So come here, come to the heading style and give margin top. At the top of the heading there should be 0 pixels. At the top of the heading there should be 0 pixels. So refresh. Yes, now it came. Okay, so I think let me give negative value, that is minus 2 pixels. Refresh. Okay, fine. Okay, so if you look here, okay, so there should be little bit of a space between this button and the video. That is, see here, we have put this what we have put this particular video inside the table, right? So what I will do, instead of putting the space at the top of the video, I will put a space for the table tag, because this video and this heading, both of them we have put inside the table tag. So for the table tag directly, style at the top of a table, that is margin top, at the top of the table give 10 pixel space. Let's see how it will work. So refresh. Yes, we have the space now. So little bit I will increase, finalize for 12. Save. Refresh again. Done. Correct, guys? So now what is left out is, see, there is a distance or there's a space between video and the this video and the what, this caption. See here, little bit space is there. So in our case, little bit space is there, but it is too much less. Okay, it is too lesser than this one. Okay, so in that case, come to that td. Why? See here, this heading, this paragraph is written in one td. Two td we have used. In one td we have used this video, and in another td we have used this heading. Okay, so instead of giving margin left for the heading, I will give the space, that is margin left for the td, its respective td. Okay, so I will tell, come to td style. I will tell padding. Okay, that is at the left side to the content. What is the content? These are the content. Heading, paragraph, and these things are the content. That is at the left side of the content. What should we create is 5 pixels of space. Okay, refresh. Yes. Okay, so once again, let me finalize. I will tell 7 pixels of space. Okay, refresh. Okay, see, now let's see. Yeah, fine. Okay, see here then. So this is a video and this is a heading, and this is a paragraph and this is a paragraph. Okay, so is it enough? Any more modification we have to do in terms of the video or the caption? Any more suggestion from your side? Anyone? Compare it with your YouTube interface and tell me. So this is a YouTube interface, and compare it with your what? Compare it with your output which you have created now, and tell me, is there any changes that I need to do with respect to what do we? Okay, so if you guys don't have any objection, means I will continue. Okay, so that means, so correctly we have placed this what I can say. Okay, so this video and the caption. So now what is left out is, we need to add all the videos and all the different caption. Okay, right now I don't have that much different videos. I will just put all those. For all the video player, I will just put the same video. Okay, I have only one video in my system, so I will put the same video for all the things, and captions we will change. Okay, so and if you look here, all video has same properties, that is same height and width. So you need to create a video player and put the video. For that every video player, there should be a same height and width. So what is the height and width? That is 120 pixels and 190 pixels. 120 pixels height and 120 pixels width. Fine. Okay, so now what is the first tag we need to open here, guys? Any suggestion? Okay, first section we have completed. Okay, so in order to create a next video and next caption, in order to create next video and next caption, which is the first tag I need to open? Is it a table, or is it a tr, or is it a td? Which one it should be? Hmm? So So what is this? So as I told, this is a table which we are creating. In first row I have created one video and one caption. Again, this second, this is considered as a second row. Yes, correct. We need to start off with a TR, that is, we need to create a row, that is a second row, TR. Okay, inside TR, first column, that is, first data is this video, and second data is this caption. So I will come back, I will come here, TR. Okay, so create a new TR. You are creating a new row. Inside that row, we need to create 2TD. Yes, Chandan, I will take your suggestion and I will copy this entire thing, copy and paste it in my new row, and I will save. If you look at the output, if you refresh, see, okay, you have one video and you have one caption. Everybody is getting the same thing. Just you need to copy paste the code, create a TR. Okay, this section is same. Okay, only one thing is different, you can select your own video. Okay, so see here, I have given the same video two times. So let's see, I think I have two or three videos. So I will say dragon.mkv, that is, I have changed the second video, but height, width, border radius, all the values are same. Okay, all the values are same, guys, that won't change. Okay, only only the name of the video will change, that's all. Okay, only the name of the video will change, that is, you will play a different video. And like that only, come here and change this caption also. You will change the video, different video you put, and different caption also you put. Okay, so I will just uh, put a caption. I will tell AMR is the great back end developer. Okay, so I will say, okay, is fine. Okay, IMR is the fine backend developer. So come here, refresh, see. Okay, I got the different thing. Okay, IMR. Let me replace this IMR with any other short form. I will say uh, CH. Okay, so CH Khan is the fine backend developer. That is a caption I will give for the second video. Okay, so what is this name? Okay, I will change the name of what is this, YouTube channel also. So any suggestion from your side, guys? What should I give a channel name as? So what should I give a channel name? So any suggestion, comment in the comment section. Okay, so let me tell it as what is the view now? Okay, 59. So I will tell it as 5.9 million views, and let me tell as 10 minutes ago. Save. Or I will change this as 10 minutes ago, and this has 1 minute ago. Save. Okay, nobody is getting. What should I name the channel with respect to the second video here? Okay, so I will tell minds for solution. Minds for solution. Okay, so I will come here, refresh. Now I got a different view, different time here, different what is this? Different channel name and different caption. Done, guys. Everyone. So what is left out? Keep on. How many of this do I want? Let's say one, two, three, four times. Copy the same TR. One, two, three, four, five. We have five videos. Okay. So finally, let's say six. Okay. So we will make it has a six videos. So come here, copy paste the whole TR here from this to this TR. Copy the entire row block. Okay, copy the entire row block. Okay, because all the things have a same property. Video should have a same height and width, and this TD should be having a same padding, and heading should be having a same margin, right? So I will copy paste this. Okay, then at last you can change the video if you want. Okay, for now let me first copy paste all the things, save. Okay, and go to your output, guys. If you refresh, see, it should look like this. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so what I will do is, I think we can fill out two more rows. I will do the same, copy, paste, save. If I refresh, yes, now I have filled all the things. Okay, I have filled this entire div with our videos. Okay, so again, quickly I'm asking, give any captions, different captions, guys. I will type it in my Visual Studio. In my heading section, I will type different captions. Okay, so if you ask a single person to give six different captions, it will be a bit difficult. That's why I'm asking you guys. Okay, everyone give your own caption. I will paste it here. I will mention it in my code. So quickly, anything, your own caption for the video, and let it be your own, what to say, your own name for the channel. Suppose if you open the channel, or if you already have a channel, tell me the name of that channel, or your username from the game, or username from your Instagram ID, or anything is fine. Okay, so that I will mention in this place. See, all the captions are same, just I need to replace something with that, so it will look bit nicer. What do you tell? You guys need some time to think, huh? So first TR is this, second TR is this, third TR. Okay, so I will say, I will type something, okay, randomly. I will tell Raz. No, just Raz. Okay, Raz is the, I will tell finest guy to teach the text. Save. Okay, and I will tell for this, I will say mind your solutions. So what is the view now? It is 64. I will take as 6.4. Updated. This should be 9 minutes ago, and let it be 1 minute ago for this. Save. Okay, and come down. Again, let me change the caption. Okay, so what should I tell? What should I tell? Uh, I will tell some random. I am KHN. Okay, I will tell is the greatest backend developer that BTM has. Okay, so come here, refresh. Yes, it is reflecting. Okay, so next, what should we do? I'll come here. Let me adjust the last one. So what is that 6.1 I will do. Okay, so I will say 2 minutes ago, and here again. So up. So I will tell IK. IK is the one who taught Gosling Java. Okay, IK is the one who taught Gosling Java. Okay, random caption I'm giving, since you guys did not help me out with the caption. Just giving my own caption. So mind for the solution. So I will say solving the mind program. Okay, and this one I will say mind your own mind your own program. Okay, smile, it's free therapy. Okay, fine. So I will go to next. I will tell it as smile, it's a free therapy. So thanks for the suggestion, Manasa. And I'll say caption is from caption is from the girl who suggested the name for the channel. We'll save. Refresh. Okay, caption is from the girl who suggested the name. Okay, so okay, so yes. So anything extra we need to do? Yes, we need to take this border off. So go to that parent div, go to that parent div. Where is it? If you go to the top, you have applied the border is equal to 1 pixel solid. Come here, hit backspace. Without thinking, hit backspace. So come here, refresh. Yes. Okay, so what do you think? So is our output looking like the one which is the official one? So almost it is same. Okay. So what is the difference is the icon is the difference, and this icons where the YouTube channel has used, that we cannot create it by our own. Okay. Just by using this technology, we cannot use it. We should be upgrading that. That when we upgrade, we will come back and we will change. Okay. Apart from that, our website also looks the same, right? So okay, so again, this is a time for the celebration. We have successfully replicated the YouTube channel by our own. Okay, so let's celebrate by hitting the like and comments. Okay, so yes, I will wait for some time. Please hit that like button, guys. Okay, don't bargain in this matter. Okay, hit like and comment how much you like, that much likes and comment you have to give. Okay, that in that way I will get to know you guys are happy with this content or not. Okay, all right, all right. So everybody finished until here. So, anybody still copying the code, or do you want me to open the code, or anywhere explanation is needed? Please ask me right now itself, or any changes you will suggest, anything, right? Okay, everybody completed. So at least reply that. Hmm? Okay, if you have a doubt or if you had missed out something, please go back in the code or in the video and make it up, guys. Okay, so don't just leave it like that. Understand the code. Okay, understand the code and look, watch the code, how the elements will behave, how the elements will change, and then implement it on your web page. Fine, guys, everyone. All right. So now, very important thing, that is the attendance. Okay. So you can put your attendance with your registered name, and we will conclude the session for today. Correct? So everyone, put the attendance, guys. Start putting the attendance. Okay. So just what I can say, go through the code again as I told. Okay, always after the session spend 5 to 10 minutes, again retrace it all the things. Okay, retrace it all the things which we have written here. Okay, so just understand how it is working, that is enough. Okay, just confirm yourself that you have understood everything that we have written, how it is working, how it was, what was the default property, and what is the changes that you have given. Okay, understand in this term, and then you can close the laptop or mobile, anything. Okay, guys. Okay, so we will meet each other in the next session, guys. Until there, take care and practice. Have a good time. Okay. Okay, guys. Take care. We will meet each other in the next session. Okay. Thank you, everyone here. Bye. Make sure you put attendance and go. Okay. Bye.